Got a fish. Me and Duncan are down a little spot we love. In fact, I think this will be the first fish I've caught from here, Duncan. I've struggled from here, haven't I? Little bass. I've had a wrasse from here, but not a little bass so far, so that's broken the dry spell down here. Happy days. I've only got one battery today, guys, so it's going to be short little clips, because if we get into them, I don't want to miss it for you. There you go. I'll see you in a minute. Well, we just moved on. First cast off, just got one. Not quite big enough. Happy days though, 2 fish. I can go, mate. Right in that little gully by that rock. Well, you on? You on? No. Just had a hit. Just had a hit. Yeah. I've got another fish and it's better, definitely better. Might even be a 42, a keeper maybe, have some dinner for tonight, it feels better. Ah, oh, no, he come off right at the last minute. Damn it. Right, back again, get another one. Stand back here, I think, so I've got a better. Damn it! That was lunch. Yeah. Yeah, and you're balancing on a rock sort of thing. Yeah, I'm by a fish behind a rock and Dunc's on. I can't get this lure back on quick enough. It's driving me mad, and I think I've lost my scissors as well. Any good? What? That was right where I was fishing, you pressing the GoPro button. Oh. Bloody hell. There's a few fish about though, isn't there? Oh yeah, and I had a decent one on. I'm getting hits here. Yeah, there's other ones around, isn't there? Do you know what? There's obviously just a lot of them around. Fish through those goalies. GoPro, stop recording. See if I can get that to work. That was bloody first cast as well. I wonder sometimes whether that's because these are scented. Oh, I've just had a hit. Look. It's because these are scented. That's why you get first. Just this one. He's got a hit. Got a hit. Come on. Yeah. I don't think they've properly switched on yet either. They're just grabbing at them. Do you know what I mean? I think they'll switch on in a minute and we'll just stop. Yeah. I'm glad we come over here, are you?
I sat there and I thought, we just fucking come over.
We can fish it like for hours then, can't we? Yeah. Come on, hit it properly. Alright, I've got a seal right in front of me, look, and I'm on. So, go on, bugger off, seal. Whew. Alright, got away. It's only a schoolie anyway. That was, as soon as I started jigging the rod, I got that. Yeah. Like that, yeah. Just bounce your rod tip and it just makes the lure go. Could just be coincidence, do you know what I mean? But it's right in front of me, man. Yeah, if he gets off a fish it would, wouldn't it? Did you? This is some good fishing, boys and girls. I'm gonna little one. Dunc's just got on as well. The seal's moved on. Duncan accidentally hit him on the head with his lure. He's got another one. Yeah, it's a bit bigger, isn't it? It's Dunk. He's only little. It's not bad. I'd say it's the biggest one, apart from that other one I lost. Yeah. Happy day. Rat bass. There's bloody loads of these around today. Oops, almost done me, mate. Come on. Well, we stopped filming the little bass, didn't we, Dunk, in the hope that we was going to get into some biggies, and they never came. As soon as the water kind of got to the high water mark, bite's dried up. We've been here another, what, hour and a bit, out of 2 hours now, and not had a single, well, we've had a couple of little knocks, haven't we, but they're either here and they're not having it no more, or they're not here, so yeah, we're going to go back up the cliff. I don't know why I feel so glum. I've just had about 14 bass, and Dunk's had about 8, 7, something like 8 or 7, and we've got the right hump, haven't we? We've got the right hump because the bass have stopped biting. It's ridiculous. Bass fishing is just stupid. See you next time. Bye bye.